Yeah. I'm I am trying to assemble a tripod. It's not actually screwing on anything. It's just kind of spinning around like a windmill. And that's not the half of it because I have to tape a little thing on it. Oh, what are we doing as in a project? We're talking bullshit. Yeah, I just wrote down a bunch of stuff. It's probably gonna work its way into an outline here.
It's like, if we always are filming, we'll always have film, you know what I mean? You never know when something funny's gonna
The
happen.
famous saying.
You're on.
We're gonna have some in front of the scenes footage, what we in the business like to call scenes, and we're gonna have some behind the scenes footage, which
You were sideways there for a second.
and now I'm vertical again. Shoot portrait.
I definitely meant to shoot landscape, but we're portrait now. That's why I tried to make you go this way, but it didn't work, so now we're stuck like this.
Okay.
So you're small and sideways at this point, probably.
Small and sideways.
Small and sideways.
The McKinley Warwick story.
A man was born small and turned sideways. The fact that I've been drinking this makes my lips, my hair wet, which makes it just like look disgusting. I just look disgusting. I'm gonna turn the camera back onto you. I look disgusting.
Oh. I don't know if you're filming yourself or me or what.
Yeah, you don't know.
Your hair is wet. Your face hair.
Are you writing that down?
Let's
Face hair wet.
Always wet.
Not always. I'm just drinking water.
I run up with a bowl of water to keep you refreshed. You're in front of the camera.
Whoa, you went blurry for a second. What happens if I do this? Very little. Do you want to tell the camera what the general gist of our thing is?
Well, once upon a time I was at a record store and I picked this up because I knew it would inspire me artistically. And then once we got together, I just couldn't help but mention. And it kind of took off from there. We are talking about investigating the fictional lives of these people because their image is just so captivating.
Also, in defense of my cinematography, is that I am using my phone. Okay. I'm using my phone. Hi, look, witch's hat. It's hard to tell because it doesn't look like a witch's hat, but if I make it darker and difficult to see.
It's a pointy hat.
It's a pointy. Yeah, that's
great.
That kind of looks like a pointy hat.
That's exactly a pointy hat.
Yeah,
dude. Yeah, we can use this.
Her hair, most notably. You know what I like about her hair? It looks like his hair.
I'm kind of a stunt double in that way.
You're the star. And then just this guy in general is fucking awesome.
Finally.
Yes, man. See, there's nothing really notable about this guy. He's over there. He's next to Kyle. He's whatever. He's got a mustache. Good for you. Fuck you. But this guy, look at him. He looks like he doesn't have elbow patches, but he looks like he should. He looks like he's the kind of guy that would have elbow patches.
Stand up lad.
He's got a cute little face and glasses and a beard and hair, and everything about his face is adorable. And I think we can all agree. He is adorable.
Agreed.
Then his shirt, look at that shirt. I like that shirt and that jacket. They go together so well. His pants are meh, but he doesn't need amazing pants. You know, it goes well with the outfit.
I submit we start naming some of these people.
Then look right there at the edge, as always. See, okay, when you're on stage, or just in life, here's the stage. I don't know where my hand is. Okay. A lot of people tend to live here, you know. where it's safe. There's no danger of falling off. But we need to live here, right here at the edge, where at any moment you could be an orange. And what do oranges do? Well, when Asher's bad, they fall. I feel like the metaphor is that when I fall into your hands. So that even though it seems like there's danger here, and everything's very exciting, but when I fall,
safety net.
I have McKinley to catch me.
Hopefully so.
McKinley, explain to me how time works.
Well, generally speaking, it's
13 years from each other at the same time.
has a lot more going on than we're aware of.
This is the third time in 2 collaborations that we have really sci-fi contrivance that we mentioned once.
So it's possible to be in 2 points.
Duct taped some curtains up to a wall.
Just casually, also, I am time.
Something about
Something about aging. That sounded like a knock at the door. Yo, what's up?
Spill.
Damn, you don't even know it, but you are dressed for the occasion.
Hello. Hello. And you are?
My name is Walter Cronkite, and this is the news.
That looks scary.
Again. Dun, dun, dun.
Dun dun dun.
Call of Duty 2. That's really dramatic.
It's that energy.
Mm.
Got that energy.
Mm. It's good. It's good. Yeah, it's nice. Whole Foods.
Yeah, man. Mm-hmm.
Whole Foods. That's so vivid.
Are you delirious?
Yeah.
Yeah.
No!
I was shooting the film.
This is one of the most rewarding experiences of my life.
You're fired.
No.
And I said, look, all of this is fake. That's the most obvious thing. But all of this is terrible. That's the second most obvious thing. So I said, why don't I outfox these guys and stage a hoax, make a script and shoot a fake haunting that seems like it could have really happened to someone.
I think
and
it's
then send it in.
And clever.
I said what I said.
That's because McKinley knows funny. No, not the knife clips! Stop getting your knife clip material!
The folks who have seen UFOs.
I can't wait to throw in some knife clips in this and make this movie a horror movie.
It already is a horror movie.
Tell me more.
I'm terrified. Don't know about you, but me, I could pee myself right now.
And what are you afraid of?
You.
Why would you be afraid of me, Trinity? What's wrong?
Show me the answers to that question. You're gonna stab me with the fork that you used to eat the macaroni salad that I gave you?
What? I would never stab. I would never.
You do. That was a pretty casual use of the term knife clips. I'll slice in some of my knife clips.
Why do you have knife clips?
So this is all getting like very hostile, and I think we should change the subject.
Intervention! Activate! Whoa!
Intervention, activate.
Oh.
What was the thing?
I don't know.
That's a reference for our viewer back at home.
He's gonna be so pissed off.
He's gonna be
Show
very
him
pissed
this.
off. I'm just gonna show him that part.
Why do you hate these people?
Why? Because they're our viewers.
Our viewers and our friends. Who could we possibly hate more?
Who
Where's our
needs friends
background?
When you have viewers.
With friends like these.
It's taken.
Who needs viewers?
The McKinley Rourke
The
story.
McKinley Rourke.
Full circle, dog.
I just zoomed in on your face.
As you should.
It's very blurry, and also I see your eyebrow very close up.
This is very scary.
We're gonna have to put like a bike lock on that because every time you're over here,
He's getting nice looks.
you go to the same spot, man.
I definitely stabbed Danny once.
That was freaky. It was, the
She-
way you were moving with it, that was freaky. Oh brother, I'm gonna have to call it a night soon.
Yeah.
Some real results.
Woo!